could be holding you tonight. You've been doing wrong, start doing right. You don't care about what I think. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Hey, putting you down won't square the deal. At least you know the way I feel. Take all the money in the bank. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Come on, JD, let's hear that thing. Come on, man, happy birthday, let's hear that telecast here. Well, it hurt me now and mean a thing. When love ain't here, you can't feel the pain. Ain't that nice? My mind ain't nothing but a total blank. Think I'll just stay here and drink. close and baby, you can hear that there jukebox playing in my ear. Ain't no woman gonna change the way I think. I think I'll just stay here and drink. You can have all the money in the bank. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Yeah, how about this band? There's so many things happening up here. I don't know what to do with my hands. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do.
Well, you sounded pretty good to me, son.
Happy birthday! I could say that.
Thank you. Yeah, we're having a little birthday party today. We did some pre-show stuff that we put up there for you guys to see. They had a nice little cake and got a nice little crowd. You know, not like we used to do before COVID, JD, when we were up 250, 300 people at Viva Cantina. But we got a good crowd. They're enthusiastic. We're having fun. Dr.
Carmen?
Caddy's here. Yes, sir. Tell me about it.
We have more crowd than we have seats.
So
You're
that's
right.
something.
You're right. Hey, there's something else happening today. I want to thank you to welcome you to Carmine's Country Corner. Brought to you by Bob Smith Toyota. They were nice enough to let us have this little spot to do what we do. Hey, are those fans way too loud? Tell them, are they okay? They sound good. Okay, then we're going to leave them on because it's... No, it's hot up here. Leave them going. Yeah, don't worry about it. Anyway, today is... I always ask Paul, how's the family? Is there anything going on? You know, what's been happening? And this week's a big week for you, my friend.
Well, the family's good.
Yeah, half of them are here.
And half of them are here. And it turns out that I woke up today and it happened to be Colleen and my 45th anniversary. Holy
wow. Now, I'm proud to say that I met Paul, I think, before you were with Colleen, didn't
That
you?
is correct.
And so I've known Paul a long time. And when Colleen came into his life, I just thank God that somebody was there to save him.
Yeah. Thank you,
And
Carl.
she did a great job. Boy, this is one strong, wonderful lady. Yeah, we all love Colleen.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I'm a
So,
lucky guy.
Charlie, before I talk the whole hour away, go ahead and do another one and shut me up here.
Yeah. Swinging Doors. EG. Shuffle time 151. Be like this. 1, 2, 3. This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. Up my home to keep you satisfied. And I just come to let you know where I'd be living. It's not much, but I feel welcome here inside. And I've got swinging doors, jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a fashion takes to lose my mind. 'Cause in here the atmosphere's just right for heartaches. Thanks to you, I'm always here at closing time. And I've got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home is affection outside. Stop by and see me anytime you want to, if you ought to. 'Cause I'm always here at home till closing time. 'Cause I'm always here at home till closing time. Thank you.
So a bunch of people that showed up today gave me birthday cards, and I read a couple of them, and I left a couple out there on the table, and then we ran out of time and had to start the show. So I'll read them right after the show's over, and thank you for everything. Nobody gave me any money yet, not a dime, and but we got some beautiful cards that tell me how much they love me. Thank you. Okay. No. Oh, all the flowers, I love those. No, I'm kidding, music. We're having a great time. And who's that? Paul,
Yes, Carmen. Hello.
your turn.
Okay. Step out just a little bit here. You are blue on lonesome.
I love that song.
I'll try not to smack you with this thing. Here's the only song we know of that was written by Hank Williams and Bill Monroe. Some side of a train going by makes me want to stop. still of the night in the pale moonlight. The wind, it moans and cries. These lovesick blues, I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle, I wanna pack my suitcase, go on some side of the train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my trunk and go on some side of a train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
You know, whenever I play next to Albert Lee, who's been one of my idols for years, I get overwhelmed just watching him play and just knowing who he is, and he's such a great guy, and beautiful wife Karen, and a lovely daughter, and they're just good people. And I'm so honored every time I call him and say, Albert, I'm having a little get together, kids. I'll be there. And I just love him. I love him for that. He's a great guy. So thank you, Albert. Now he's getting lazy on me. Now he's going to sit down and play. I never should have said anything.
Carmine was going to invite you back next week, but now I don't.
Now
We don't know.
No. You sit down and I'm going to sit next to you, brother. Okay, Mr. Gary Swan, entertain the folks. Love this song. There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. And the next time when the phone rings, Lord, I won't answer it. I don't want to be the fool I was tonight.
take off wedding band when it takes you by the hand. Gonna do me wrong, do it right, lady. Take off wedding band when it takes you by the hand. Gonna do me wrong, we'll do it right. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right. Thank you. I like that applause machine.
I was watching Vern Gosden on YouTube yesterday. I saw a whole bunch of your stuff, and boy, could that guy sing. And I'm going to tell you something. You ain't too far from it. You sing that song great. Love the way you sing this. Vern Gosden, what a voice. Gary Swan, what a voice. I like to say about that. Okay, who's the guest artist this week? Is it Albert or Charlie? I'll let them fight it out. Charlie, do another one.
Fight, fight, fight.
I'm out of this.
Because I'm so used to fighting it out with Albert.
Right.
Thank you for pitting us against each other.
What about tear it up? We got a phone call to do that one. A request.
Hold on. We take phone calls and comments. Sardo.
You can't answer your phone during.
Wait. I got a phone call. We take phone calls at Carmine's Country Club. Go ahead. What do you got? It's you? Who? Oh yeah. Oh Martin, you coming up?
Folks, it's Martin.
Put him on speaker.
So when you go to Bob Smith Toyota, the new car show, go right across the street. You'll see a great big car lot with cars on it, and an old Bob Smith showroom in that building, directly across the street on Foothill Boulevard from Bob Smith. Well, I'm on the south side, the downhill side. Susie, run out and wave at Martin Atkins, please. My wife's going to come out on the sidewalk and wave at you. No, it's a car showroom. It says Bob Smith on it, but it's been closed for a while. You'll see it. Come on over. Bye.
Hey, Albert.
I am so honored. You wouldn't believe who that was, and I don't want to brag, but Albert, how many times have you done Eric Clapton's Crossroad thing? You and James and that? Like, at least everyone he's done. Except the first one, yeah. Well, that one sucked. After that, they got good because they had you and James on it, and I got to come to a couple of those with you. Remember, I didn't play, but I mean, I got to hang out with the boys. So Martin Atkins is a gentleman. If you buy the Crossroads DVD, it says directed by Martin Atkins. He's the director of that thing. And he and I became friends. He came into my upholstery shop, and I did some motorcycle seats for him, and he liked the job, and then he saw a picture of you on the wall. Albert, he said, you know Albert? I said, yeah, well, he's kind of a friend of mine, and I had James up there. So we started talking. He said, well, I direct Crossroads, and they come and play there. So then, since then now, he gets me passes as I'm one of his crew. And I
He
get to
couldn't
go
get
wherever
any
I
big
want.
stars, huh?
I mean, I go on stage. I go anywhere I want. Nobody bothers me. So it's great. So anyway, he's coming up to my party. So isn't that great? How about a hand for Martin Atkins? He's the nicest guy, another great guy. You know, just a good man. So there, I bragged a little bit about who I know.
Hey, Albert, you won't hear that on the Grand Ole Opry stage.
That's right. Who's going to do one now? Oh, Charlie, you're back. Yeah.
All right.
Should be 60s in a row to keep A.
You got it.
And I'm just gonna start. I'm just gonna start it. We'll jump in. Be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, rolling down the eastern seaboard. Got my decent round up, run like never before. Just past the Jimmy and the White, out of Pasadena thing inside. 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight. Got me 10 forward gears in a sweet Georgia overdrive. Smoking little rock pills, my eyes are open wide. Nothing mama's made tonight, but I just scares alright. 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight.
So kiss my baby bye-bye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some of those guys. Had one to hold me tight. I can believe it's alright. 6 days on the road, gonna make it home tonight. Thank you. Hey, nice groove over there, guys. That was cool. Digging that.
Yeah, so I want to thank JD also for coming up. Funny thing happened with JD. I had called Albert like on a Monday, and we talked about doing this, this Sunday. And Albert said, let me get back to you. I got to check my schedule. I want to do it, but I got to make sure. So he checked it. And I think he called me about Wednesday. I was at a pool hall shooting pool, which everybody knows I do a lot of. And he said, we're coming Sunday. So I thought I got to call JD, but I've been so busy at the upholstery shop, I forgot. It was like Friday, I think, Friday night, and I said, I got to call JD. Meanwhile, JD saw it on Facebook that Albert was going to be with us this weekend, and he was home thinking, how come Carmine's not calling me? But, I love you, and I will always call you. I always do, and I did. And here you are, and we're having fun. And Palmer, thank you for showing up. My stand-in, we had come, Dan Hugart's here just in case, because Dan, he could do the equipment. He's not going to sit in tonight. I told him he couldn't do that. Not when I got you. No, I love Dan. Dan's my brother. So thanks for, we're having fun. Charlie, thank you. You go home tomorrow, right? Charlie?
Yes, sir.
God damn, we're close tonight. We're kind of squeezed in there, so. Gary and I are wearing the same exact shirt. I mean, there's two shirts. It's not the same one shirt. It's the same model. Like for
Might
those
as
of
well
you,
be.
those of you out there who take me literally, you know, it's two shirts that look alike. And
Thanks for bringing that up.
yeah, well, because you know, we even got the red Cadillac on the back. I'm going to show you the back of this shirt. He's got the same thing.
I try to get him to play like this all day.
Now he said his was a gift from somebody. Mine, I'm proud to say, I bought in Memphis, Tennessee at that. What's the name of that place, Sue? The name of that place I bought this shirt in Memphis. Lansky's. Where are you? You're over there. Okay, Lansky's. Yeah, it's kind of a famous place where they go, you know, buy their Western clothes. It's kind of a fun joke. So who we got? Oh, Gary, do another one. I heard the piano. I think you were talking to me.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Great to see JD on the steel today.
Yeah, I
My two
just said the whole
favorite-
thing about him. Where were you?
Hey, I'm the one that said you should try and call him.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway, I'm gonna do a Merle Haggard tune for no other reason than I love it. I don't hear what he says. It's called "Today I Started Loving You." This features Paul Marshall and myself. Thank you, Paul. 1, 2, G, 1. Today I started loving you. Yeah. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. where I really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heart in there. But today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again.
Okay, we got to do something real quick because this gentleman works so hard every week to keep the show going. He does overtime. He helps me out so much. Tom, get up here quick. Come on. Tom Paul Wilson. And you got that mic. Do it. What key? It's okay.
Paul knows that the band.
Look, I'm double parked, man. I gotta go. You guys are double time. Ready? Hit it. Ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. Know by now. Ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. It don't matter anyhow. The rooster crows at the break of dawn. Look out your window, babe, 'cause I'll be gone. And you're the trees that I'm traveling on. Don't think twice, it's alright. There ain't no use in turning on that light, babe. That's a light I never know. Ain't no use in turning on that light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. Still, I wish there was something you could do or say to try to help me change my mind and stay. But we never did too much talking anyway, so don't think twice. It's alright. Robert Lee and Carmine Sardo. And now, Gary Swan. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, don't. Don't. I said don't. Don't think twice. JD, you got something in you, buddy? JD Manis. They say goodbye's too good a word, babe. So I say fare thee well. All right, let's go pick it up. And I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You could have done better, babe, but hey, I don't mind. You just kind of wasted my precious time. Don't think twice. It's all right. See you later. Thanks, fella.
How about a hand for Tom Paul Wilson, my good friend, and without him, half the time we don't have a show. The other half of the time, without Kim, we don't have a show. But my daughter's here every week and doing a good job. Dan's been a big part of this. I want to thank you all for watching. You know, I don't get to talk back to people on the spot because I'm up here with the boys playing, but as soon as the show's over, I get on my computer and I see all those beautiful things that people write about the show, and all the ugly stuff I just delete. You know, it's easy. You push one button and you're gone. But anyway, no, there's none of that. Everybody's awfully kind to this band and this show, and we appreciate it. So, okay, I got Paula. We got about what? We might go. Is it okay if we go a little over a couple of minutes? Is that okay with you guys? You're hot? Too hot? You're gonna hang out? One guy clapped. Okay, that's good. That's a good sign. Anyway.
Well, I tried, folks.
Anyway, Albert, thank you for coming up and doing this. You know, he just said something, I didn't quite hear it. It might have been, he either said anytime or never again. But I don't know which one it was. So I'm not sure. It's like I'm gonna do Clayton Delaney just because that's kind of what I do. I hope it'll be okay. Year Clayton Delaney died, and they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried, and it made a big impression on me. All I was a barefoot kid, and they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Albert was the best guitar picker in our town. I thought he was a hero and used to follow Clayton around. And I often wonder why Clayton, and he seemed so good to me. And he never took that guitar and laid it down in Tennessee. Hello, Albert. Lovesick blues. Oh, he see him half stone, picking up the lovesick blues. I'm the one, the white plate, who seems so good to me. He never took that guitar and he never made it down in Tennessee. And I remember the year played the lady down. What do we got? How much time? We're gonna go a little over. We got about, what does that say?
58.
Oh, we got, yeah, let's do a couple more. Gary, you wanna do another one and then maybe Charlie will close the show?
I love that.
Okay.
Charlie, I wanna thank you for coming up from Texas. He did last Sunday, we got a double hitter with my son. He got here last Saturday night and Sunday he did the show and then this Sunday he's still in town. We spent some time together this week, had a wonderful time, and now you're doing this show and I love you for it and thank you.
Dad, happy birthday.
Thank you.
I love you.
You were here for Father's Day and birthday, and my birthday.
And I'll see you next year for his big 80, his
Yeah,
80th
we'll have a
birthday.
big one next year.
It's gonna be it's gonna be huge.
Yes, we're
All
gonna
right?
have a lot of
Okay.
fun next year.
And thank you all the band for letting me play with y'all. This is
Oh, you're great.
I appreciate it.
Okay, do one. Gary's gonna do one, and then we'll let Charlie close it out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to the party. All the people that are here and all the people that are watching, we love you. Keep with us because we're doing a fun thing.
Okay, don't look at me like that. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna dedicate this to the guy that got my Leslie pedal at NAMM, Vince Gill. Okay. I was born in Texas. You never mentioned that. I'm very insulted by that too. Anyway, 1, 2, 3. Whiskey on your breath.
little fella, Susie, where are you? Is Martin Atkins here? Bring him up. Come on up. You're not getting out of this. I'm going to totally embarrass you.
It's too late. He did that
Come
before.
on up, say hello to Albert and the boys. Come on just for a minute. Don't trip over the fence. You got to step over the fence, Martin. You know Albert, Martin Atkins. Ladies and gentlemen, I talked about this gentleman a little earlier. He is the director of the Eric Clapton's Crossroads series that Eric does to raise money for musicians that are falling on hard times and need some help. Eric is a great guy, and he raises a lot of money. It's a really big show. And Mr. Martin Atkins is the one that directs that whole thing. And we became friends by doing some upholstery for you. You came into my shop, right? We did some motorcycle seats. Right next to his favorite motorcycle shop. So this is Mr. Martin Atkins, my good friend. Thank you for coming by. God bless you. Is your wife with you?
She's not. No, she said sorry.
She's not
She's
it?
see in a moment.
Next time. Well, we'll call each other and go to dinner. Hey, the Crossroads in L.A. this week, right? Good. I want to find a
It's
drive.
in September.
I'll call you.
And the money that Eric raises actually.
Here. Just yell right in that way.
The money that Eric raises from Crossroads guitar festivals goes to his rehab facility in it's in the Caribbean. It's Antigua, yeah. And basically he tries to fund mainly musicians that basically have drug or alcohol problems and tries to get them straightened out. And that's something that's important to him because he's been 35 years clean.
Yeah.
So,
He went through his rough times.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So how about a hand for Eric Clapton and Mr. Martin Atkins? Steve, thanks for coming up. We'll do it again.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, man. Great to see you. So, you know, I know some fun people. I don't know how God blessed me. My wife is pointing at me, so I go what?
Do you want to sing?
No, he's not going to sing tonight. Tonight, he brought his guitar, but not his voice.
You don't want to sing, Albert?
We offered him $5.
No, we're not pushing.
Okay. And
Love you.
Paul.
And Paul, what about Paul?
He sings.
Well, we're going to close the show now, and I was going to let Charlie play, which is kind of a crowd.
We have to do one real quick because they did this outside before, but y'all, we're gonna sing Happy Birthday on the show.
Oh, you.
For my dad, it's in the key of G and it goes like this. Y'all gonna sing it loud with us too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carmine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you all for coming. We had a great show. Well, Charlie's going to close it out, and you guys are welcome to stick around after the show. We're going to mingle a little bit, and then, you know, there's more food, and then we'll go home. Okay, Charlie, hit it.
Man, I was gonna do one. I'm just gonna do something simple. Key of A. It goes like that. Say, come on, baby. You wanna shake it going on. Come on over, baby. Whole lot of shaking going on. And if they get whole lot of shaking going on. Come on over, baby. Got a chicken in the bone. take this interstate. So come along, baby. We got chicken in the barn.